welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are going to do something fun. If you guys can see, my hair is in some regular braids. I'm gonna put in a protective styles and we're gonna do some loose braids. I'm just taking out all of my braids right now from last night. I washed, moisturized, kept my hair hydrated. So now what we're gonna do is actually put on some Marley twist hair with a little bit of gold string to give it a style. I always wanted to braid my hair this way. So guys, let's get started. What we're gonna do is just do some parts. I'm looking away guys because I'm looking at my mirror to try to get this as good as possible. This doesn't have to be perfect. I just want it to look somewhat decent. So I'm looking at the mirror to try to get this as good as I can, but don't worry, we're not perfectionists here. Just want this to look decent. And all I'm gonna do guys is part this. I do this in section because it makes life a lot easier for me to get these braids done. So if you're doing loose braids, do this however works for you, whatever way you part your hair that makes it easier for you, because I'm just going around and getting some sections done here. So guys, after I get all my sections done, what I do is I go ahead and I braid my natural hair. So I'm gonna use two things guys to moisturize and seal my hair. I'm using this Cantu leave-in strengthener, which I got from my holiday kit that I recently purchased, as well as guys, I'm gonna be using some shea butter, and this is my natural shea butter mix. It's on my channel. I'm gonna have a link for you guys if you want to know how I make that. I love using that when I'm braiding my hair. And I'm making these little individual section so I can go ahead and do my little protective style first. The first thing I do is I actually braid the roots for the most part, and then after that the rest of it I will do twists, so that way my root doesn't get loose as easily, but the ends are in a twist, so I don't have to worry about ripping out my hair when I'm taking this out, because I have no patience when I'm actually taking these out. And I'm just gonna do this guys all over my hair. Get my natural hair braided first, and then we're gonna put in the Marley twist hair. that's done, all my hair is braided. We're gonna grab some hair and we're gonna grab these little gold strings. Now this is from a while ago. I bought this pack of accessories. These are the strings I rarely use. They're all gold. And what I'm gonna do, instead of feeding it through the hair after I braid it, I'm just gonna braid it with it. And I'm using 3 pieces of hair. You can use more if you want thicker braids, but I didn't want these to be that thick, so we're just gonna use that. These are regular braids, guys, just like you'd braid your hair. Go ahead, I braid my hair inside of it, and I make sure the twist is braiding with the hair as I go. And very important, what I do is I make sure when I start braiding it where my hair is, that my hair is actually getting braided inside, so it is protective in, and no little piece of it is actually sticking out. I do my best to be as accurate as possible with that. And I'm gonna go again all over my hair and just braid this, get all the braids in with the gold twist. One thing I wanted to mention, guys, is I'm not gonna put the little gold string on every single braid. I'm doing every about 2 to 3 braids I do. The 3rd or 4th one will be no gold, so I don't have too much on it, but I have enough to make it stand out, and that's how I'm gonna braid all of my hair. And I do the front first. If you guys don't do this, I do it because my hands get tired when I braid my hair. I do the front first because this is when my hand is not tired and I can get my braids to look a lot nicer. So the front braids will be the first one that I do, and then I work my way down. All my braids are in, guys. You can see the little gold sparks that's in there. Everything is in, it's ready. I go in with the scissors and I cut off any little loose ends that's with the little gold string, so anything is not sticking out. That way it lets me clean everything up. And because I didn't do that many braids, you guys can see it's super easy and fast to do. And then I'm gonna go in with some oils. First I use the ginger oil to do the front of my hair to really help my edges. And then I'm going to put my castor and the Jamaican black castor oil and the argan oil mix. I go ahead and put that on my scalp. And these are pretty much the oils I'm going to be using while I have this on to moisturize my hair anytime I would refresh it or need to add oils to it. And I just massage that in, guys, with my fingers. And that's pretty much it. If you want to use something else to put in your scalp or you have other oils, definitely go ahead. And that's it, guys. That's the style. It is all done. This took about 3 hours from me braiding my hair to me actually putting this in, because I'm braiding everything individually. It was nice to do. I can part it on the side or I can part it in the middle. It's super easy to keep in, and I really love the way it looked. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll know when I have the videos that are coming out. Of course, give this video a thumbs up. Leave all of your comments down below and go over and watch my last video.